Okay, I'm probably not going to like this stock because I do love my current setup, but let's change it over and see what it looks like. Okay, I can't believe I'm saying it, but we're finally doing it. We're transforming my beloved Mini 14 into a different stock. Before we do it, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. My name is Leverboy, and I make exclusive Mini 14 content. So make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more. Now let's jump over to the tabletop and do the old switcheroo.
Oh my God.
Shut up, cat. The grass is going to be my tabletop today. Okay, full disclosure. Samson sent this stock out to me after I've been on the waiting list for a very long time. As you can see, I opted to get the black version of the stock. I know the stainless gets a lot of hype, but since my gun itself is black, I kind of want to stay with that same look and vibe. Okay, inside the box you get the Samson newsletter in case you want to stay up to date on their releases. You get a sticker and you get the instructions on how to do the install. Okay, now here's the beautiful ATM folder. It was all wrapped up really well in bubble wrap, but I took all that off to save time. My first impression is that it feels really high quality and it looks super clean. I don't see any type of machine marks or blemishes on the wood. It looks like they are made with a lot of tender care. Okay, we got the polymer handle right here with a little bit of texture on it, and these are different than the original stocks, which were all made out of Bakelite. And you can see on the inside it's hollow, which inside of it there's an Allen head screw, which can be taken out in case you want to change out the handle. Now here's the button you will press to open up the metal pipe buttstock. Before you can swing it open, you need to unlatch the lock, which keeps the folder from swinging open. There's a small screw that sticks out of the wood, which acts as a latch to lock up the butt plate section. If you want to undo the butt plate, you need to push down on the rear spring lock, which will hinge open the butt plate, while at the same time undoing the locked latch from the rifle itself.
That don't make no sense.
You don't make no sense. There's a nice snapping sound that happens when everything is locked up, which my OCD nature appreciates. The butt plate part also has an audible sound when it's locked in place. We got the Samson logo right there on the inside of the butt plate. Everything is locked up very securely when the folder is folded. It doesn't feel like it's going to come undone very easily, or at all. When we open up the arm, you can see that the button we use to fold it down also locks in place. There is very, very little wiggle going on with the folder, not enough to ever affect your precision shots. I'd be the first one to complain if there was too much wiggle, because that's something that's always turned me off about folders, is some have too much wiggle to them, and that matters when you're aiming freehanded. You can kick out the folder pretty easily and quickly if you're in a rush. The wood is made of a dark stained walnut, which is different than the originals, which were all made out of birch. Walnut is a higher quality wood, and it looks really good. In fact, if you look close, you can see there's almost a tiger stripe pattern to it. These are all made in the USA, and they do fit the Mini 30s as well as any Mini 14 with a serial number with 181 or higher. The dimensions on the stock is 29 inches when open and 19.5 when closed. The width is 2¼ inches and the height is 5½ inches with an overall weight of 2.7 pounds. Not very heavy at all. The length of pull is exactly 13.5 inches, which is absolutely perfect for me. And for reference, I'm 6'1", so that kind of tells you if it might fit your arms as well. So everything comes ready to drop your gun in. Samson does state if you try to disassemble the stock, that it will void your warranty. Okay, without further ado, let's swap this girl out with my other wooden stock. Okay, this green grass is a little distracting. Let's change that. Okay, that's better. Okay, I'm probably not going to like this stock because I do love my current setup. But let's change it over and see what it looks like. Oh my God. I was fully mistaken about my earlier statement. I apologize, Samson. This looks super badass. Wow. Yeah, I was not ready for this. Of course, I've seen this stock on the tube already, but it doesn't do it justice like it does in person. This thing looks awesome. I'm very happy right now. The butterflies are real.
You flip-flop faster than a politician, you damn turncoat.
I got a good thing going right now. Don't you ruin it. Okay, I'm gonna stop fangirling for a moment, so let's look this baby over. Let's fold it up real quick and see what that looks like. Oh my God, that's so awesome. I can rock this baby on the hip and rattle off a few shots. Definitely turns this into a more friendly truck gun. The compact size just opens up a new world of options for the gun as far as convenience goes. I got the black mag inside so it matches the gun, but just for fun, let's throw the nickel mag in for giggles. Yeah, there's no making this gun look bad. It looks good with any color mag. I might wrap some brown leather string around the pipe right here just for a little more customized look. Maybe wrap some brown grip tape around the handle. Here's some commonly asked questions about the stock. Will your aftermarket magazines fit? Samson says some aftermarket magazines may not fit. Therefore, Samson recommends using the Ruger factory magazines for the best results. Now, another question is, how close is this stock to the original one that was made? They say the new production wood is dark stained walnut instead of the original birch, like we mentioned earlier, and the pistol grips are made of polymer where the originals were bakelite, also like we stated earlier. The retention screws use an Allen head instead of the original slotted head design. Other than that, it is the original stock. Can you attach a sling? Yes, if you look here, there's a spot at the base of the folding lock with a hole which you can run a sling swivel through. Will this stock make me a badass? Most definitely. Absolutely yes. Will this stock help me get the girls? Yes, I know it would work on me.
There ain't much that would not work on you.
Bruh. Pricing. 2 different prices. The first one is going to be for the stainless one on the screen, and the second one is going to be for the blued model, which is the one I have right here. This thing is going to look badass when I'm done. Okay, sign up if you want to see me go out and shoot this baby, and send me your email so I can add you to my email list. See you soon. Peace.